Welcome. Let's take a minute to review how to use Architect so that you can build strong habits and reach your potential. Architect is a scientifically based behavior change tool. If used consistently, it is the proven best tool to building lasting habits. It does so through daily exercises, daily reflections, reinforcement, and accountability. Every day, you will receive exercises like this, either through your app notifications or email. These exercises are designed to help you grow. You should try to accomplish these exercises on the day that they're given, but generally you'll have a few days to accomplish the exercise. If you need more information about the exercise, click here to learn exactly how to do it and why you should do the exercise. Please take advantage of the notes feature. Research shows that deliberate practice reflecting on your efforts dramatically increases your growth. After completing the task, mark it as complete. You will receive a reinforcement, a little boost of dopamine to help rewire your brain. These come in the form of quotes, funny images, sometimes giveaways. You can select the type of word you want in settings. You can view all of your notes either on the dashboard here or in the Notes tab. Architect will also help to encourage you to do daily reflections. These are generally short pulse surveys, like this. They will help you learn from your day, help you to create positive stories, and become more mindful. Architect will gather your responses to your daily reflections and present them to you in rich, meaningful graphs and word clouds. These graphs are designed to help you spot trends and patterns in what helps you on your high days and what hurts you on your low days. You can also use the word clouds to spot trends in the things that are helping you and hindering you throughout all days. If your coach is offering an online course or is coaching material for you, you'll find those in the online course tab. If you run into technical difficulties, click on this purple button, having a problem, let us know, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Remember, lasting habits are built through consistency. The payoff will take time, but the results of your continued efforts to build habits will be exponential.